birds are chirping. Everybody's happy. We are on our way to CADES Cove, either there first or the Walker Sisters. That's the goal for sure today, to get both of those done. And then maybe an escape room or the wax museum. And then Puckers. That's what we're thinking for dinner. And that's 4 good things today, hopefully. That's assuming all goes well. But we have faith and we have God on our side, so we're good. I wish we knew specifically what mountain that was. Probably Mount LeConte. Everywhere we go, we see Mount LeConte. Everywhere we've gone, we've seen Mount LeConte. Yes. Beautiful. All of it. And these beautiful mountains again. Beautiful mountains. So we're good there. It's crazy to see how big mountains are compared to your little bitty self. Woo! Oh, we almost hit a bird. I'd have been sad.